All right, so today I want to talk about something kind of nasty. Now, nothing in like a dirty way or obscene or anything like that, but maybe a little bit. It's called link shorteners, and they are really, really bad when you're running ads. And I'm going to tell you why. So the first reason why is back in October of 2018, Facebook released what's called a first-party pixel. So it's not a third-party pixel, it's a first-party pixel. And this is to cookie those people that are using browsers like Safari and others that are implementing like blocking third-party cookies. So the moment you put a link shortener like Google or Bitly and some of the others, what it does is it strips out the first-party pixel. So that's number one. So number two, if you're using a link shortener, you are using Google Analytics, guess what? You're going to get nothing out of it because the link shorteners strip all the UTM tags and you won't be able to track what's going on as far as your sales. Oh, and I'll show you right behind me is that big mountain behind me. It's called Mount Wilson, and I'm up here in just next to that. Mount Wilson is where all the transmitters are for like all the high-powered FM radio stations. There's like XM transmitters. There's all sorts of television. Like most of the television transmissions, it's all up there. In fact, years and years ago, I knew some people that worked up there, and I actually put a Wi-Fi access point up on that mountain. Was able to pick it up over 15 miles away. So then the number three reason you don't want to use it is that it actually leaks information. So what I mean by leaking information is what will happen is wait for that to go by. What happens is you can put in a little something to the end of a parameter at the end of the shortener, and people can see how many people have clicked through, what countries you're targeting. There's all those kinds of things. And the number four reason, let me show you behind me. Look behind me. See, right there. See, there's my Land Cruiser. That's my. It's highly customized and designed for long, like I put it together in a way so I could take like two-week trips out in the desert. So I just thought I'd show that to you, and just looking forward to our next trip. We're going to Death Valley in the spring. So anybody else here have go out take trips in a 4-wheel drive like I do? Just give me a comment down here. So the fourth reason that you don't want to use a pixel shortener is I have like one of my big rules, like one of my top 5 rules for running paid advertising is you never send paid traffic to a domain that you do not control. So I don't know if people here know that there's a built-in link shortener inside of Shopify. And if you don't know how to use it, just let me know in the comments here. And if I get some questions about it, I'll show you how to use that. It's actually pretty easy. And what's great is once you use a shortener, or a so-called shortener that you control, there's a lot of other capabilities that you have. So let me know if there's any questions about anything I've talked about today, anything you'd like me to clarify. Look forward to doing our next video. Keep up the good work in the comments. It's been fantastic feedback. And my next couple of videos are going to be completely based on things that have been asked in the comments.